Are you looking for a mini ITX motherboard that's powerful enough for Ryzen processors while staying compact, efficient, and affordable? Then stick around until the end, because this little powerhouse has more to offer than you might think. Small but mighty. That's probably the best way to describe this Gigabyte motherboard. Despite its compact mini ITX size, it packs in plenty of features you'd normally only expect on larger boards. Let's start with the heart, the AM4 socket. You can install almost any Ryzen CPU here, from the 3000 series up to the 5000G series. That makes it very future-proof if you're planning a small but powerful system. For memory, you get two DIMM slots supporting up to 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. Dual channel is, of course, included, and ECC RAM is supported too. Perfect if you want a stable, long-lasting system. A real highlight is the power delivery. With a 6-phase VRM based on Dr. MOS technology, the board provides enough juice even for stronger Ryzen CPUs, and it does so without overheating, thanks to a clever cooling design where the VRM, chipset, and M.2 SSD are all covered by a single heatsink. That brings us to storage. Alongside the 4 classic SATA ports, there's also a full-speed M.2 slot with PCIe 3.0x4, perfect for fast NVMe SSDs, for example as a speedy boot drive. And then there's the built-in Wi-Fi. 802.11 AC isn't the newest standard, but it's more than enough for most uses. Bluetooth 4.2 is also included, along with gigabit LAN for stable wired networking. If you're using integrated graphics, you'll appreciate the 2 HDMI ports and 1 DisplayPort directly on the board. What makes this motherboard especially convenient, you don't even need a CPU or graphics card to update the BIOS. With QFlash Plus, you can easily do it via USB stick. Great if you plan to upgrade to a newer Ryzen later on. In short, this board gives you a lot of bang for your buck. It's aimed at anyone building a compact, reliable system, whether for gaming, an HTPC, or a small office PC. If you're curious, be sure to check the product links in the description for the best price and current availability. So, what's good and what's not about this board? Pros: great price-performance ratio for mini ITX, solid power delivery for Ryzen CPUs, compact design, perfect for small cases, fast M.2 support and multiple video outputs, BIOS update without CPU thanks to QFlash Plus. Cons: combined heatsink for chipset/M.2, possible heat issues, no PCIe 4.0, not for high-end graphics cards, only 3 fan headers, could be tight for hotter builds, Wi-Fi limited to AC, no Wi-Fi 6, no USB-C port on the rear I/O panel. If you're planning a compact and reliable Ryzen build, this board is a real insider tip. It provides a stable foundation with a surprising number of features, ideal for small cases but with big ambitions. Definitely check out the links in the description for current deals. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe for more hardware reviews.